everyone, Kayla here, and this is What the Kink, a natural hair channel where I share my personal hair journey and tips, tricks, and product reviews to help you with your own. So if any of that sounds interesting, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and tap the bell for notifications. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I managed to dry all of this completely under a hair dryer. In fact, okay, this is going to come in clutch if your hair is long and so it hangs from under your hair dryer. This is going to come in clutch if your hair is thick, so it takes too freaking long to dry. It's also going to be helpful if you need to wash your hair at a time like nighttime, because right now it's nighttime, honey. Your girl done went to work and everything, but my mama, we going out to see Wicked. We going to like this light boat situation or whatever, and so I just can't do my hair this weekend, so I have to do my hair on a school night. So this is how I managed to dry my hair on day one so that I can have I get more days out of my wash and go. So if you're interested in that, just stay tuned. I know someone is going to ask me, so I will tell you. I use an 1875 watt Ionic Pro rollabout tourmaline dryer from Modern Elements. My brother bought this for me for Christmas. It is $88. It says it's on sale, but child, it is always on sale. $88 is the regular price. Ain't no sale nowhere, okay? So I start using my dryer like anyone would normally use a dryer. I sit under here. I'm on here looking at my iPad, chilling. Now, if you continue to do this, your hair is going to be not fully dry up underneath there. So this is where the differential stuff comes into play. I'm going to actually come out from under the dryer. It's been about 30 minutes or so. And watch this, sis. Flip. Okay, so that's what I do. So I flip all of my hair over to one side. And I actually got this from my hairstylist when I went to go get my hair cut. This is how she dried my hair. Of course, she had a Pips quick dry, which is on another level, but this does make this dryer dry my hair better. So I will sit under here probably another 10 to 20 minutes more. I did 10 minutes on this particular day before I come out from under the dryer and flip in the other direction. This is going to start drying those under layers, honey, the parts of my hair that don't ever get dry. And I go back under there. I try to use the lid of the dryer to kind of hold my hair in place. And then I'm going to sit like this for another 10 to 20 minutes. My hair started to fall down, but you can adjust that as you may. And then, did you think I was done? Did you think I was done flipping my hair? No, I'm not, okay? So I'm going to come out from under the dryer and I'm going to flip all of my hair forward. Now, the back is usually where my hair is going to be wet, if anything. So I had to edit out some of the struggle I had with the hair trying to stick to my neck. And then I kind of press my hair back in a way that it stays. And yes, there's hair in my face. And I will continue to dry it like this for maybe another 10 minutes or so. So in total, I had about an hour of drying time. And this is what my hair looked like after everything. I usually don't wear my hair out right away after it's been drying because it kind of tends to look a little bit crazy. But this didn't look too bad after I rewashed it back. Good morning. I think these are the first words that I've spoken this morning. I don't talk in the morning, but I couldn't leave you guys hanging. So that drying method that I show you in this video is usually how I get my hair 100% dry. With most combos, my hair will all the way dry. But this wash and go had a lot more water in it. I used the new formula of Wetline Extreme. I also used the Mono's hair gel as a topper. And then in between those two gels, there was water re-added to my hair and smooth through. So this is a very wet wash and go, very difficult to dry. This underside over here, the whole underside just would not get dry. As you saw the video, the top parts of my hair were dry and the bottom just would not get dry. So I did have my normal, when I normally sit at the dining table for the morning, I sat under the hair dryer this morning and continued to dry my hair. And even still, this right side right here is still like very ever so slightly damp and just will not get dry because of the combo. But for most people, what I've shown you, as I said before, will work. So this is what my hair is looking like now. You can see it's a little more even because it is more close to being dry. So this is the work this is the look they're gonna get at work. This is what I'm gonna look like today, okay? And hopefully it will be 100% dry. I think it looks good enough to be going to plays and donut shops and whatnot that my mom wants to go to, but I couldn't go with the old puff that I had. I had to get my hair right for the weekend.